From the snowy plains of Canada to the vibrant rainforests of Costa Rica, this is the story of our epic 7,600-kilometer journey. Over 8 borders and countless landscapes, we encountered everything from towering mountains to tropical jungles. Sit back as we take you on the ride of a lifetime. Our journey began on October 27th in Swift Current, Saskatchewan. Snow was already hinting at making its presence known, dusting the back roads and the fields around us. Wildlife sightings kept us entertained, from pronghorn antelope darting through the fields to hawks soaring overhead. As we crossed into Alberta, the golden hues of the fields gave way to the dusty browns of late fall. By the time we reached the Kicking Horse border crossing, we were ready for the first of many transitions. From Alberta, we made our way into the US, where the Rockies greeted us with their snow-dusted peaks. Idaho Falls presented us with our first challenge, navigating a busy construction zone. But the real adventure began as we climbed into Utah's snowy mountain passes. These roads were both breathtaking and treacherous, with every turn revealing a new postcard-worthy view. By late October, the snow melted away as we entered the desert landscapes of Nevada. The warmth was a welcome change, and the open highways made for easy driving. As the miles ticked by, the famous Las Vegas Strip came into view, glowing brightly against the darkening sky. While we didn't stop long, the contrast between nature and the city was unforgettable. Our next stretch took us through iconic desert locations like Lake Havasu and Quartzsite, Arizona. We even made a stop in Oatman, Arizona. While we don't have dashcam footage, the memories of the arid beauty, historic sites, and quiet BLM campsites are vivid. Enjoy the photos instead. Texas highways stretched endlessly before us, leading us to the Reynosa border crossing. Here, the real adventure began as we entered Mexico. The drive brought coastal views, lush greenery, and the first signs of Central America's tropical climate. Mexico's winding roads introduced us to a mix of vibrant towns and serene countryside. Stops like Aldama and Tampico showcased the heart of this incredible journey. Guatemala greeted us with towering volcanoes and misty mornings. However, the roads were a challenge, with potholes and construction slowing our progress. El Salvador's coastline was stunning, while Honduras offered rolling hills and peaceful countryside. Each country brought its own flavor, its own rhythm. After weeks on the road, we crossed into Costa Rica on November 29th. The turquoise waters of Rio Celeste and the vibrant rainforests welcomed us to the final leg of our journey. The warmth of 34 degrees Celsius, the lush greenery, and the sounds of nature were the perfect conclusion to our adventure. Our journey wasn't just about reaching Costa Rica. It was about the incredible diversity of landscapes, the people we met, and the memories we made along the way. Thank you for joining us on this adventure.